Hi everyone, it's Boris. Today I want to show you how to do a battery swap while the engine is running. Well, it's not gonna be applicable for all of the cars. Maybe it's gonna be applicable for mostly the older models around 2000 and before 2002, 2003, the ones that have less electronics inside them. But you never know, maybe if someone of you know for some newer cars that can do it, just tell me in the comments. Okay, why I need to swap the battery? Well, this is Opel or Vauxhall Astra MK4 or Astra G. It had a car accident, and as you can see, the radiator is hanging right there. It's not the original one. I just put it there so that the car can run without overheating. The subframe was hit very badly, so had to cut it a little bit. Well, a little bit, quite a lot. You can see the squares that are freshly cut. We have nothing underneath, but yeah, that's not the main purpose of the video. So battery swap. I'm gonna start the car, and I have the other battery here. Let's say, for instance, you want to keep the battery that's inside the car, you want to keep it for yourself, and you want to scrap the car, like in this case. You don't want to give away the good battery, so yeah. Yeah, most likely I didn't tighten very well the terminals, which is good reminder. Always tighten these very well. So basically we can detach the terminals. This one, but we shouldn't detach these joints here on the right side, because in this case we can no problems with that, and yeah, that's about it. I hope you find it useful, and yeah, don't try it on newer models, because I'm not gonna guarantee guarantee that you won't cause any troubles. So yeah, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and see you on the next one.